Now, Friday brought some calm in the aftermath of the breakup between Elon Musk and Donald Trump. The bromance with Wall Street ending the week in the green. Solid jobs report also helped offset any worries about the trade war worries and its impact on the real economy. Stocks close at their highest mark since February on Friday, with a 1% advance in the S&P 500, driving to gauge 600 points. Pardon me, that's 6,000 points. All major industries climbed and dip buyers flocked to Tesla, which jumped about 4% in the aftermath of Musk's very public meltdown with Trump. Tesla stock recovered to gain 4% on Friday after a more than $150 billion wipeout on Thursday. The recovery in stocks came despite Trump saying that he had no time for a call with Musk. U.S. jobs report pointed to a gradual moderation in the labor market, boosting the dollar as well. Separately, a Bloomberg survey showed U.S. stocks will put the worst of this year's trade war turmoil behind them and rally to fresh highs in 2025. The sentiment also improved amid hopes that U.S.-China trade tensions are easing, with Trump saying negotiators will talk on Monday.
Well, we're very far advanced on the China deal. We wanted clarification. We had to have clarification. It was bumpy up here. We had to have clarification. And that's what we're really having the meeting about. We had a very good talk. I talked to President Xi for, I guess, more than 2 hours. We had a very good talk. It's a complicated deal, but it's a deal that's, bring us a lot of money and a lot of everything else. And we get along very well with President Xi and with China.
And then treasuries dropped across the curve with 2-year yields topping 4%. Money markets trimmed bets that the U.S. Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this year. Interest rate swaps show traders now see a roughly 70% chance of 0.25% rate cut by September, compared with the probability of about 90% on Thursday. Oil prices rose this week, with benchmark Brent crude closing above $65 a barrel. The crude rally comes despite OPEC Group's pledge to increase production as real economic data globally shows resilience and a healthy demand bed. With safe haven bets taking a backseat, gold fell 1% to below $3,320 an ounce. Still, gold has rallied over 25% this year to multiple new record highs and is about $300 away from its all-time peak. For more on this, correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York. Listen to this.
On Friday, U.S. stocks closed higher than expected, encouraged by a stronger than expected job report. The May job report showed an additional 139,000 jobs, surpassing expectations and easing concerns about an economic slowdown. Friday's job report was fueled by optimism that the U.S. economy remains resilient, with strong consumer spending and hiring being steady despite high interest rates. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.